Okay, I promised you some interaction with the HTML page. The first one that we're going to talk about is how you can use events that happen on the HTML page to trigger your code. So to do that, you would need some code to trigger. So I'm going to write myself a function here. I'm going to call it show alert. And inside, I'm just going to say alert, hello world. Okay, right now, this function isn't being called. I've just defined it. In fact, if we go live, you can see that I didn't get any alert pop-ups. I am going to zoom this page in. So I've got a button and a text box. And right now, neither of them do anything. Coming back over here, um, we could make them do something. So the way you make one of the HTML tags do something is you attach an event to it. The way you do that is you type the word on, and then these are all of the things that you can do that can call a function. So you can say, I want to call a function when they click on it. I want to call a function when they double click on it. But let's just start with onClick right now. In the quotation marks, you want to put the name of the function that you want called and parentheses. What this says is it says, when they click this button that says hello world, I want you to show the alert. So coming back over, we'll click the button and we get the alert. So now we've successfully attached a function to our button, which means anything we wrote in a function previously, we can now attach that to a button as a trigger. Okay, well, let's see what other triggers there are. One of the other fun ones is on mouse enter. So that means when the mouse enters this input field, what do you want to do? And in this case, I'm going to call that exact same function called show alert. So if I come over, I can click hello world and I get the alert. Or I could mouse into the field and I get an alert that says hello world. And there's a whole bunch of these events. There's on key down, on key press, on key up. So you can read a whole bunch of inputs and you can have your code work based on those inputs.